guys, it's Becky. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some of the things that I purchased over the last couple of weeks, and I am so excited because we are getting cozy for fall. I'm going to be traveling to Madrid in November, and I've been looking to get some cozy travel outfits that are easy to put together, that I don't really have to think about, and that will pack easy. I want to start by showing you these pants and blazer that I got from Zara. It's Massimo Dutti. You'll notice a theme throughout this video, and I am very inspired by the row lately. And this blazer is a Massimo Dutti blazer, and it reminded me of one of the row blazers. It's the double-breasted. Like I say, it is Massimo Dutti. This was made in Portugal. This is a size, I got a size 8, and as you'll see in the video, it fits very oversized, which I love. But I also love the pinstripe in this suit, or in this blazer. So it's gonna go with so many things. If you'll notice, I wore it with cranberry loafers that I'm just loving right now. But these are the trousers, and they have pleats in the front. Let me button this up for you. And they are so comfortable. They're kind of wide leg. They have this striping just like the blazer. They do have pockets. I did get these in a, I don't know why it doesn't want to tell me the size. I did get these in a size 4, and they fit well. I like a little space around the waist. I don't like them to fit snug at all. So I am loving this suit idea for maybe an easy travel look. The loafers that I wore them with, I actually have them on right now. Let me take one off. These are the Sam Edelman loafers. I got these in the Nordstrom sale. They are amazingly comfortable. When I put these on, I immediately went on the website and ordered the black leather ones. They are so comfortable. They're perfect. The horse bit is a little much for me, but usually my pant kind of covers that anyway. But I love the pickering around here, or the stitching around the toe, and how it's pleated a little bit, I guess you'd call that. I love these. Super glad I got these, and I'm looking forward to getting the black ones. I also got this bag in the Nordstrom sale. This is one of those WJ Pay. I don't know how to say it, but that's the brand of this bag. I got it, like I say, in the Nordstrom sale. It's very pretty. It goes super cute. My dog slobbered all over it. Look at that. It goes really well with those shoes, though. So this is a real popular style bag for the fall. I still have the tags on it because it was a little bit slouchy for me, but now that my dog has slobbered on it, I think it is mine. So I'll be wearing it with those cranberry loafers, and I'm actually now going to be excited about it. I did some shopping at Aritzia also because I was looking for a pair of chocolate brown pants, and found, of course, the Effortless pant. These are the curve fit though, but I really like them. I got them in a size 2 regular. It's a beautiful chocolate brown. It's a little bit crepey, so you don't have to worry about getting really wrinkled or anything like that. These are such a good investment. And I paired them with this J. Crew cashmere sweater. This is just the coziest sweater. I got this a couple of years ago. This is a size small, but you can see J. Crew has the nicest cashmere, and it is a V-neck. So I thought the brown and the cream went really well together, and I paired it, as you can see in the footage, I paired it with this calfskin bag that I got it's from Mango. I got it from Nordstrom. I still have the tags on it because I have not used it yet, but I do plan on wearing it with those chocolate brown pants and that cream sweater. I think it would make a very cute outfit. Again, everything will be linked down below if they're still available. I'll even look on the Mango site and see if this bag is still available because I know it was selling out quickly. But it's a very cute, it got a nice shoulder strap, little zipper, and it's very easy. Fits your phone, a card holder, super easy night out bag. With that outfit, I paired them with these loafers. These are from Banana Republic. At the beginning of the video, I told you there's kind of a theme. I'm kind of inspired by the row these days, and I do not have a row shopping budget, so I was looking for an inspired by pair, and I found these on Banana Republic. I love the toe. They're very similar to the Sam Edelman ones actually, but these are leather. This is the dark brown color. It's very pretty. These are so comfortable. There's no break-in period or anything like that with these or the Sam Edelman ones. I was hoping that Banana Republic had these in black, but since they did not, I got the Sam Edelman ones. These were a little bit more pricey than the Sam Edelman ones, but I think they are going to be well worth the investment. And I also got, when I bought these shoes, they had these socks on sale. These are a trouser sock, and you get two pairs. They were on sale. They're like a cashmere blend. They're not 100% cashmere like the ones from Quince that have been sold out forever. I actually think they just restocked, so check out Quince if you're looking for cashmere socks. But these on Banana Republic are very comfortable. They're very thin. They go nicely in the loafers if you like to wear socks with your loafers. These are a really good option. You do get two pairs for, I believe it was like $40 or something like that. I'll leave it linked down below. I got black, but I think they have other colors too. Also with those Aritzia chocolate brown pants, I paired it with this olive green sweater from Aritzia. This is not cashmere, this is merino wool. I did get a size small. Let's see how much this was. $98. But I really love the color. I was looking for something in this olive green color for the fall, and I wanted it to be long sleeve. I have not seen any cashmere in this color yet. So if you have seen an olive green cashmere, tell me in the comments down below so we can all find a cashmere olive green, because it would be just a dream. But this is really nice. I think it pairs well with those chocolate brown pants. It'll go nice with jeans. It'll go nice with black, cream pants. This is a very versatile color for the fall too, so I'm very excited about this. Next up, we have a new to me brand called Chic and Parker. This is cashmere. You can see I paired this whole outfit together and I wore them with the cranberry Sam Edelman loafers. I think this is a dream of a travel outfit. These pants are just amazingly comfortable. They're 100% cashmere. They were a little pricey. I did get these on Nordstrom, but they are the Chic and Parker. And this is pure cashmere wide leg pant. They are the navy blue. I was looking for a navy blue cashmere set. I didn't find any. This is the only one I've actually found. So it's really cute. It has Chic and Parker on the leg. I did get a size small in these, and I am going to be living in these this winter. I just know it. I feel like these are going to be perfect to cozy up when I'm in Madrid or even just traveling around. I'm looking forward to, I think they're going to be perfect. And I bought it with this Chic and Parker V-neck sweater, collared sweater. Now this is a Chic and Parker Basics. So I'm not sure what the difference is with the Basics branding on the Chic and Parker, but this is really nice. I don't believe this is 100% cashmere. Let me look, because I think this was a cashmere wool blend. This one is, maybe it's basics because it's not pure cashmere. This is 90% wool, 10% cashmere, but it matches perfect with the pants. I think it's a very cozy outfit, and I'm looking forward to wearing these together. There's the basics. But you can get this at Nordstrom. You can go to chintyandparker.com. I'll leave both linked down below for you. And I did wear them, like I say, with those Sam Edelman cranberry loafers that I think are going to get a lot of action this year. My friend and I were shopping. We went birthday shopping. I told you about it in a video before this if you happen to see it. But we stopped in Lululemon and we spent probably a good hour in there trying on different things. She's getting ready to go on a trip and I'm getting ready to go to Madrid, like I said. So we were looking for some cozy, comfortable travel wear. And we ended up getting, we're actually going to be twinsies. So we ended up getting these pants from Lululemon. I love the waistband on here. It's got a nice thick waistband, but also a drawstring so you can make it tighter if you choose. It's got nice pockets. It's like a canvasy material and it's got lines in it, so it gives it some texture. But it's a straight leg pant. Let me find the name of what this is. So these are called the Dance Studio regular pant, and I got them in a size 4. Lululemon tends to run small in my opinion because these 4s I actually would probably be more comfortable in a 6 just because I like my pants a little bit more loose. You can tell in the footage on how they're fitting. They are kind of snug around the hips, which is okay because it makes them nice. And they're flattering pants, and they do give, especially with this elastic waistband, so they're very comfortable to travel in and will give with you when you're sitting and stuff if you have to sit for long periods of time. I paired it with this Define Nulu jacket. It's called the Define Nulu jacket. It's really soft and cozy. It has a detail on the sleeve, so it has the thumb holes, and then you can also pull this over and put your fingers in here to keep your fingers warm, so should you choose. So that's a really nice little added benefit to keep your hands warm if you get cold. It does have a nice high collar too, and a very nice zipper. On the back it's got the Lululemon logo and this little kind of pleating detail here. I'm not sure what this is for, but it gives it a nice little zhuzh. And this is fitted. This is supposed to be a fitted jacket. I prefer my stuff a little bit loose, so I did get a size 8 in this. I tried on the 6 and it fit, but I like to have the room of the 8, especially if I want to put a sweater or something underneath it when I'm traveling. I think this is perfect. And I put underneath it, I just had the Quince tank top in a size small. You guys have seen that 100 times from me, but yeah, Quince tank top, size small. And I wore my Rag & Bone sneakers that I got in the Nordstrom sale with this tracksuit. I love it. These are so comfortable. These are really comfortable for traveling. I'm definitely going to take these with me. They're very comfortable. You can wear them with or without socks. You can even take these instead of a pair of trainers, so you can look chic while you're walking around town, and then if you need to go for a workout, these will serve both purposes. I think these are just amazing. I have these in the cream color as well, and they have held up really nicely. I got them last year in the Nordstrom sale, so I got the black ones this year and have not looked back. They're Ortho Light, so they're very comfortable, have a nice arch support, a really nice sole, so you're not going to slip or anything like that. So this was a really good investment too, and these will definitely be coming with me. A couple of things I wanted to show you that I did not try on. Of course, another pair of loafers. These are from Veronica Beard. I did get them from Nordstrom. I own these shoes in another color already, but as I stated earlier, I was on the hunt for a pair of black loafers, and I never knew that would be this hard actually to find black loafers, but I got these, and they are, the name of the color is Eclipse, but they're in dark navy blue, and you'd never even know that unless you compared it to black, because they're that dark. I mean, I had to put it up against a black shirt to notice that they were navy. But I have these in the dark brown. These shoes are so comfortable. I've gotten so many compliments on them whenever I wear them out. Everyone always asks me where I got them. I did get these from Nordstrom. They had these in the Nordstrom sale. They are obviously the Nordstrom sale has long passed, but they are on sale. I don't think as good of a sale as I got in the Nordstrom. They are, let's see, these are a pricey shoe because they're 100% leather. So these are $262. I think I'm going to return these just because I don't know how I'm going to wear navy blue loafers. I don't want to wear them with jeans necessarily because I'm not really a fan of the different blues. But if you are in the market, these are they're kind of open so they breathe a little bit. These are really good. Veronica Beard does a good shoe. So and I did get them from Nordstrom. So my jury's still out on that. Leave me a comment down below if you wear navy shoes and what you wear them with. And then also, because I am traveling, I've been looking for some new travel bags. So I bought these from Quince. I love these. I have not obviously got the opportunity to use them yet, and I still have the tags on them because I just got them. But you get two in the set. You get a smaller one and then this larger one. But what I really love about this compared to the ones I've had in the past is it opens so wide. So you see how the zipper comes all the way to the bottom. So you can really open this up wide and kind of find your stuff in it. So it's not so stiff. But it is leather. It's beautiful. I think this is going to hold up well. It's got one inside pocket here in the large one. And then in this little one, it also has the zipper that goes all the way over in the half moon shape. And then look how wide this opens up. It's just amazing. So you could put your makeup brushes in here or something like that. And you'll be able to wipe it out very easily. So I am really looking forward to using these this coming season. I already have Quince luggage, which I absolutely love. I have the large one and the carry-on size. They roll like a dream. The handle works like a dream. The lock, the TSA lock is so easy. So highly recommend checking out Quince for travel accessories if you are in the market. So that does it for my fall cozy travel haul so far. I have got some more things coming in, so stay tuned. Leave me a comment down below if you are in the search for loafers and what your favorite pair are. Like this video if you've enjoyed this content. Subscribe to the channel. It really helps me a lot, and I'll see you next time. Bye.